In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps on an iPhone 12. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's two different ways to do this. The first way is by far the easiest, and it's just on this home screen. Press and hold down on it. No matter what app you're trying to delete, select remove app and you're going to see a delete app option and a remove from home screen option. Go ahead and select delete app if you're trying to remove the app. Now obviously this is method number one. There is one more method, and I actually like method number two a little bit more because it shows you the storage. But essentially go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down to the general tab and open it up, and then from here select iPhone storage and just scroll down a little bit and you'll see all of your apps on here. Find the app that you're trying to delete and just go ahead and select it, and then you'll have the option to offload the app or delete the app. It's also going to show you how much storage you're actually taking up with that app and how much you'll free up when you do delete it. So select delete, hit delete one more time, and you're good to go. That is how you can delete apps here on an iPhone 12. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.